Hey guys, Zari here. Hope all is well. Tuesday morning, May 7th. We have the opening candle right there. Look at the Dow dropping pretty hard here on Tuesday. Interesting daily picture here, guys. I sent this to the group, of course, and very bullish configuration and structure here. We have broken this morning. We have broken above yesterday's high, and that's multi-day highs, as you can see. And now we'll be watching the three sisters here, as always, on the 1 minute chart. You're pushing up now on all three. After the Dow dropped pretty hard here in the morning. NASDAQ 30-minute chart. This is the power grid. Going higher now, nicely higher. There's the 1 minute open range, top and bottom. So we are above the 1 minute open range, above VWAP, above EMAs. On the NASDAQ and the S&P, the Dow is inside of its open range and just above VWAP. So we're watching that as well. As though many of you know, the Dow's been marching to its own drummer of late. Pulling back now on the S&P and the NASDAQ and the Dow. I'm going to ignore the Dow for now, guys, mostly. Of course, I'll always be watching it, but I've more or less taken it out of the equation for most of these trading mornings, given that it has been just doing its own thing, and that has a lot to do with earnings season and a bunch of other factors. All right, here we go, guys. Buy stop order above this actual candle right here that we're in right now. Nope, cancel that, guys, cancel that. I want to wait to see it close first. It's doing some interesting dancing here that I might not love, and my stop will be below the open range. Here we go. Okay, now above. Now above that same candle. Here we go. And I'm in. And I'm in, guys, right there. Looking for 1 hour. I hope this is going to be I anticipate this will be a fairly quick trade, either getting stopped out or hitting target. Looking for that 1 hour move, the most certain move here on a impulse, very strong impulse above, and then a fairly orderly kind of a zigzag pullback and retest to the top of the open range and the 21 EMA. 1, 2, 3, 4 wicks below and not being able to close below. Although now it's going to make an attempt to close below by the looks of it. 21 seconds left in this candle. We'll see. But now it's the waiting game. All right, guys, moving my stop to break even just to protect this position, given that we are not exactly following through as quickly as I would have hoped in this clean traffic range. So I'm just going to protect that on the downside. And stopped out a break even on that one, guys. Playing defense, protecting that position. And it may be a good thing. I'll watch this play out with you so we can see if that was a good idea or not. And there it is, guys. So it would have been stopped out at 1 hour. Instead, took a break even on this dynamically managed trade. Very interesting level here going into this clean traffic zone and now rejecting. This could be setting up for a short. We'll see. Be watching this to see how it develops. This was a trend continuation trade, guys. Impulse up, corrective back to, and retesting the open range, and then beginning to impulse again, but just not enough juice to get up there to the 1 hour. Have an amazing day. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.